Alright, you guys, I am in Costco. So we have the enchilada bake, $5.99. So, which is $23. This has gone up in price, and it's not bad. It is really quick and easy, but again, it's an easy make at home too. The rotisserie chicken salad, which I don't think I've seen here, is $7. So we're looking at $15 to $16. Today they have the garlic seasoned drumstick, $1.99. So $16. You get quite a bit in here. I know there's a lot of people who say they don't like the season because they say it's like the meat that's going bad. I'm not too sure, but I bought this before, never had any issues, nobody got sick. But yeah, $1.99. Put it on the grill, bake it in the oven. And $3.99 we have the dry rub, St. Louis style. So $28. And of course to get two. So this one's going to be new for Costco. I haven't seen this in a 24 pack. It's going to be $30. Ghost Spicy Blanco Tequila from Mexico, $30. And $63. Let me bring this one down. The High West Risky from Utah, $59.99. Island Paradise, we have Mai Tai, Big Wave, Pipeline, and Longboard. You get 24, and for $24 or 25. Watermelon Ranch, from San Diego. And it does have the Arizona Cardinals on it. I've never seen this one here, but it's going to be 18. And Santan Brewing from Chandler, of course, is going to be $28. It looks like you have like Jungle Jack, Juicy Jack, and Super Jack. Sweet Water Variety Pack, Fort Collins, $30. Fort Collins reminds me of Barnabas, Dark Shadows, yeah. They do have the cake here, you know, the white cake, chocolate with mousse filling. So the white cake, that's $16, $15.99, or chocolate. Now, if you want the half, it's going to be $25. It's kind of like basic on there, like decorating. Okay, what do we have? Cheesecake, I know we've seen, $17. This is the white cake with the mousse. That looks really good. Oh, there's that bear one. We have some with strawberries on top, it looks like. Plenty of the red velvet cake. Plenty left over. And they have the chocolate cake, not as big as Matilda. I have not seen that 3-layer cake yet. So if we're looking at ground beef prices, they're kind of the same, $3.99. This is going to be at 88%. So the highest in here is like 27. Now beef sirloin, this one is $9.49 a pound, so $35. These are actually really tiny, and that is USDA Prime. This one's going to be $32. The New York steak, which is $15 a pound, so $55 here, and of course you get 4. I feel like maybe for 4, definitely not bad. I mean, a little cheaper than a restaurant. You'll probably pay a little more if you're going to a steakhouse and you're just having New York. But if you're gonna get like ribeye or something, I feel like I might as well just go to a steakhouse for that. Over here is $16. We have the tenderloin, so $39. This one is $50. Tri-tip, which I do love tri-tip. So USDA choice, though, this is $9 a pound, so $40.19, but you do get 2 in here. I want to say maybe the same price in Sam's Club.
Yeah.
I think pretty close, yeah.
I think these are better cuts.
And then beef loin, tip steak is $8.99, so like $37. This is not bad for doing like tacos, nachos, a quick carne asada. They also have the flank steak, which is $9 a pound. I feel like some of these did get smaller because they used to be much larger quantity, like bigger. So the highest in here is 47. Again, these are $9 a pound. Now the beef round top is going to be $5.50, so $22.40, and this is USDA choice. We have beef round eye. Okay, this is $4.69 a pound, so $32. Okay, this one's new. It is $9 a pound, so $33. So beef ribeye is $14 a pound, so 4 in there for $58. Lowest I see is $52. This is beef tri-tip, but it's already like seasoned for you. So 6 steaks in here, so $25 because of that $9. Kevin's Korean barbecue chicken is $10, so a little discount from 14, ends on the 29th. Ready in 5 minutes. And $19 for Korean barbecue style beef, 100% grass fed. It is gluten free, soy free. We have organic kung pao chicken is $9. I don't think I've had this one yet. They used to have the Hawaiian one, which I haven't seen here in a long time. Organic creamer potatoes, a 5-pound is $12. I do. These are my favorite. Normally I get a small bag in my grocery store because they have the purple ones. There's no purple ones in here. Organic dates, a 2-pound, $11.99. They even have the organic green kiwi. These are 3 pounds for $8.99. Pineapple is $2.79 each. And organic papaya, which I rarely see in Costco, is going to be $4 each. Sable black seedless grape, a 3-pound for $9. Normally you don't see the black ones here. We only get purple and green. We also have like these candy seedless ones for $9. I don't know what they taste like. Look at this. The willow planter in the ceramic is going to be $25. Organic cauliflower stir fry is $9.59. It does come in handy for those days. You gotta pop something in. Jimmy Dean turkey sausage and egg is $10.99, and your limit is 10. Steamed soup and dumpling are $14. Are these the ones from like Trader Joe's? Huh. Because I know Trader Joe's, you only get like a little tiny one. Almond flour crackers are $7.39. Your limit is 6, ends on the 21st.
Yeah, I like that. I get their paper towels in our tissue.
The oatmeal, you get the variety pack for $10.39. This one ends February 12th. Your limit is 10. And the gluten-free bread, you guys, is $5.99. Ends on the 29th of January. The limit is 10. Keto blueberry cinnamon is a $10, 3 grams net carb, gluten-free, grain-free. And Parm Wisp are $6.89, ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 6.
There's a package like tucked away right there in the.
Organic strawberry spread is $9 for a 42 ounce. It's quite a bit in here. $5.99 ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 7 for frosted mini wheat. I want to say Kirkland doesn't have like their Kirkland brand seaweed. Was it Kirkland brand? Because I used to buy it all the
I
time.
think it was.
This
It was
is
in a
how
green
much? I
package.
cannot see that.
$8.
$8. This is sea salt. I don't know if my son will like this. If you tried this seaweed, let me know about it. Lucky brand women. Okay, you get 3 in here. It's a 2-pack, but it looks like, oh, you get 2. Okay, $15. And these are $10 for the reversible fashion wrap. Nothing new really in the children's clothing. We still have the oversized hoodie. You know, cozy nights. Only see the emoji one. They're 15. Your limit is 10. Over here, the Lucky $15.99, like a camo fleece top and bottom. Yeah, these are 16. And the beach cover up. They're calling it the beach cover up, $15.99. It's like a towel. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cute. Little turtle man. And of course the shark. You know, Jaws was having their little marathon. I've only think I've seen 1 and 2. I've never went to 3 and 4. For ladies, Fila. Okay, these are new sweaters. These are going to be 13. You only see like the blue and kind of like this white one. So Smarty Pants, the women's formula. This is 17. Ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 15. Okay, this is a new one. Looking bolder, looking lashes in 6 weeks. 88% saw longer looking lashes. Made in the USA. It is a vegan. It's going to be $44. Alright you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. The lines are literally to the back of the vitamins. Really crowded in here. I'm going to work my way out. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.